Okay, well, I just got home from the gym and Ramses had breakfast all ready for me. What do you have for breakfast?
Pancakes.
Who made you pancakes?
Daddy. Hey, Mommy,
you guys have pancakes like every other day.
Hey, Mommy, you want some blueberry?
No, thank you. I'm gonna eat my own breakfast.
Okay, well.
What did you eat? Why do you have shoes on like you're ready to go run a marathon?
She wanted to win. You can use me as your thumbnail.
Okay, anyway, so Ramses made me some scrambled eggs with tomato and bell pepper and...
How much do you want?
That's it? Or is there onion?
No onion.
Oh, no onion. Okay.
You'll eat this?
Yeah. He said you put 3 eggs in that thing. This is the bread that we get. It doesn't have a bunch of the crap in it. It's like as organic as it can get. As far as what we can get here at our stores, we don't have any like Sprouts or Whole Foods or anything like very close. The nearest one's like half an hour to 45 minutes away. So I'm gonna put some avocado on this thing, just a little bit, and then put this on top and then eat it. So we juiced this week. If you guys, that juicing video should be up on my channel. If you guys are interested in seeing like how we kind of meal prep our juices or juice prep, go ahead, I'll link that below so you guys can watch it. It's a pretty funny video too. I mean, I think we're funny, but anyways, so I'm drinking my juice. I try to drink it in the morning. That way it like digests really well and everything throughout the day. As far as water goes, this is like my go-to thing to make sure I drink my water. I fill this up before I go to the gym. I sip it on the way to the gym. I don't want to drink like too much water, especially if I'm going to do like a lot of cardio, because you know, you get that like feeling like you want to throw up if you're too full of water. And then I leave it in my car because I don't want to like carry it around the gym. And then on my way home, I'll drink the rest of it before I get home. So that's like kind of like my goal. So that way I drink like 20 ounces of water like before I get back home. And yeah, and then I just drink these throughout the day. So I kind of like mentally try to give myself like a deadline with these. So for a day is like my goal. So I'm gonna finish this up and then I'm gonna go take a shower, get ready for the day, get dressed and all of that, and then I will see you guys for lunch.
Bye!
Cheers! Like the girl. So I took a shower and I threw a mask on while I was putting the kids down for their nap. I just took it off right now. So I just have to go and like moisturize my face and all that stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my lunch together because to be honest, I'm not really like super hungry right now. So I'm gonna have a snack. And then probably when the kids wake up, I'll actually eat lunch. Just because it is 11:20, so the last time I ate was at 8 o'clock. So 9, 10, 11, it's been a little over 3 hours. So I like to kind of keep it that way. Like even if I'm not starving, I don't want to wait until like I'm starving to like eat because then I start craving things. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can find. So I was gonna eat a whole banana, but since I'm gonna eat an apple, there's like quite a few apples over there, so I don't want them to go bad. I'm gonna eat this half a banana that I think one of the kids ate, and I'm just going to eat half of this and then the whole apple with some almond butter. I am gonna measure this out. I think I'm just gonna do like 2 tablespoons. I may or may not have accidentally stolen one of those from a restaurant. So this almond butter is from the self-serve place right there in Fry's, my grocery store. They have a bunch of bins where you can get like granola or like things like that, and you can put them into, and it's like fresh stuff. So they have a machine that has a bunch of almonds and then a machine that has a bunch of peanuts, and you basically like turn the lever and dispense like, and it like crushes all of the nuts like into a butter. So this has like no added sugar and it's delicious. It is so freaking good. It's like addicting, honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head upstairs and put some makeup on, and then Ramses should be back from getting his haircut by the time the girls wake up. And then I'll see you guys for lunch before I head to my appointment. So I'm back downstairs because my cup was empty, so I had to come back and get water. So this is my third 20-ounce cup of water for the day. And my makeup is done. I haven't been doing my makeup this whole time. The kids woke up and, you know, it's almost 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna go downstairs and I should have a meal prep ready to go, but we'll see. If not, we have chili left over too, so I'll probably have that. We'll see. Let's go. It's called a Buddha bowl. There's like way too many steps to this. It's not as simple as it looks.
What are you gonna say when you get
right there.
stuff?
Thank you.
Cheers, mates. Got a green juice here, a lot of vitamin B, a lot of folate. Gonna wash it down with some gin after. Post haste.
You're embarrassing.
That was my Buddha bowl. Canada. I was Canada.
Oh, I thought you were Irish.
No.
You were trying to be Canadian?
Yeah.
So anyways, Ramses already ate one of these at work and he told me that the sweet potatoes were still a little bit hard. So I'm gonna pop these. He just put them in the microwave for a minute, but I'm gonna do another minute. I just poked some holes in it. I'll link the video below that we got the recipe from, but it's basically like greens, broccoli, zucchini, chickpeas, onion, and sweet potato, and then it's a tahini, lemon, dressing. So it's like super simple, just like tahini and then some like fresh lemon juice, and it's tasting pretty good. I don't know if I said it has chickpeas in it, but you kind of roast the chickpeas and do some spices on those too. So like I said, it's kind of like a couple of steps, so I'll link that video below. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the microwave again and then go ahead and finish this up. Well, these are super filling. I have like no good light. Hold on. Okay, that's better. But yeah, I'm super full. I still kind of have like a lot, like half. Like I only ate half of it. This is the first time that we've meal prepped these, so like our portions are not that like precise, and it just has a lot of veggies and stuff, so it's kind of hard to like measure all that out. But yeah, this was super good. I didn't really think I was gonna like it. This was like Rams's request to like make. So I had one meal prep for me, and it's Wednesday, and I waited until like the last day that we had meal prep to like eat it, and it was surprisingly really good. If you guys have ever had tahini, it's a nut butter. It's like, I think it's made out of, I forgot what seed, but it has like a nutty like taste, like peanut butter or something like that. Like, I was surprised. I was super surprised how much I liked it. I'm super full, or else I would like finish it because it was really good. But yeah, I mean, see, this just goes to show how you just try new things. You might not think you're gonna like it, but then you end up really liking it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. It's almost time for my appointment right now, so I'm gonna charge this camera because it's gonna die. I'm gonna take my water with me. I didn't finish drinking it, so I'm still on my third cup. And then when I get back, we'll probably be making dinner. And then, yeah, I think we're gonna have like fajitas for dinner, or I might eat chili that we already made, so we'll see. So I'll see you guys back in a few hours. Okay, I'm barely gonna eat dinner. It's about 6 right now, so I'm gonna eat some chili. We had like a crazy afternoon. I had my appointment, and then Rams was at the park with the kids, so I went over there with them, and then we came back. They had like a snack and stuff, and we forgot to take the chicken out for the fajitas, so we were just like cleaning, scrambling around. So Ramses ate, the kids ate, so of course I'm the last one to eat. He's bathing them upstairs, so I'm gonna eat really quick, and then I'm gonna head upstairs. So I hope you guys enjoy the final meal. This is chili. It's a vegan chili, so there's no meat in it. I will link that video also below, because we also got it from a YouTube channel that I follow. My earlier lunch was like I was telling you guys, I'm gonna link that below. That's also a vegan channel, and then the chili that I'm gonna eat is also a vegan channel. So I mean, we just kind of limit meat. We try not to just use meat only as our only protein source kind of thing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you this chili. And yeah, we made it exactly how the girl makes it. Her name's Liv B, her YouTube channel. So we made it exactly how she makes it. I just don't have any more avocados right now, so I'm not gonna top it with avocado. But honestly, I'm not that hungry. I just because I ate pretty close together from the morning to my snack to my lunch. I'm like pretty full, so I'm just gonna eat really quick, so that way I'm not like starving in the morning, like before I go to the gym. So I'm only gonna do half a cup of chili, because like I said, I'm not very hungry, but I know like in like an hour, if I'm still up, I'll have like cravings and stuff, and then in the morning I'll be starving. So I'm just gonna do half a cup. Usually I'll do like 3/4, or if I'm really hungry I'll do like a whole cup, but I'm just gonna do half. So I hope you guys enjoyed this full day of eating with me, and I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was the water turning back on in the tub. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!